So this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I've got this Pasquini Livia 90 here. So the customer wanted a new group head, new style group head. So this is the old one. We put a new one in there that's of a different style, and we also bought this new portafilter, and on top of that, the machine had a lot of mineral buildup, so we needed to replace the vacuum release valve because it just wasn't fully closing because of that mineral buildup inside of it. And then we descaled the machine to clean out all those extra minerals, back flushed the group head to remove any coffee oils, residues, and cleaned the steam wand, wiped down the whole machine, deep cleaned everything. And so now I just want to pull a shot for you to show you everything's working properly. So I'll just brew a shot. And this is our test coffee, so it's not perfectly calibrated to the machine. This is just a single shot, so it's a bit small, but as you can see, you can get that nice crema, and it looks pretty decent. I'll also show you the hot water. Okay, there you go. So now I've got this Americano, basically, and there's the steam. So that's about it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much.